Ready to ditch the printing, signing, and scanning hassle of contracts and dive into the super efficient world of DocuSign. Let's start with the beginning. You'll receive an email from DocuSign indicating that a document requires your signature. In your email inbox, find the email from DocuSign. The subject line will contain the document you will need to sign. Open the email. In the body of the email, you'll see a button that says Review Document or something similar. Click this button to be securely redirected to the DocuSign platform. Once you're on DocuSign, you'll see the document. Read through it carefully to ensure everything is correct. DocuSign will guide you through the areas that require your action, usually highlighted in a distinct color, like yellow. Click on the first highlighted field. This might be a place to initial, date, or provide your full signature. If it's your first time using DocuSign, you'll be prompted to adopt a signature style. You can choose a pre-designed font or draw your own signature. After completing all required fields, look for a Finish button, usually at the top or bottom of the document. Click Finish to submit your signed document. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your document has been successfully signed and submitted. DocuSign will automatically send a copy of the fully executed document to all parties involved. How efficient is that?